Who is coughing among children? Come. Can you get some eucalyptus oil? Ah, what happened to you? You are coughing, eh? You can feel, you just feel it here. Just come and have a look. You yourself can feel it. If a child is coughing, you should not cough. So many people of you here, see. You just feel that. You just feel that all the bones.
Just there. Yeah.
They are all there. You see, they'll all dissolve under your hand, you see. The child will be relieved. So you should not just try to leave the child as it is. Immediately. Or the child, put your hand on the child. Try to treat. And that's how you learn how to treat. I can't bear a child laughing like that. I'll hold your leg. Like that. Do like that. Okay.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah.
Good. Just to towel, rumal with it. Get a napkin or paper napkin. Can I lift your... Good. It's all right, it's all right. Feeling better now? Now, that's good. It's coming up now. Finally. रुमाल
जी
काफी डाला
थोड़ा डाला जाना है
ये डाल यस डाल no better now. I have told Dr. Ramzan and also I am telling all of you, you must write down what diseases you want to treat. Alright, and I'll tell you what is to be done. Make a list. And now you have to start procuring. Just ask me what diseases you want to treat. All of you. I'll give you all the solutions. But first you tell me what disease. But don't give these modern names, I don't know them. Just write what is wrong, the symptom. Even if you give the name, also write the symptom. Good? Alright now? Beach पे रखेगा पूरा ठीक सब अब्सॉर्ब कर दिया सब पेट में वायरस है इट्स अ वायरस If both the chakras are caught up, say Nabhi and Vishuddhi, then you should know it's a virus. Now, all right. No more coughing, all right? It's very simple. Just as soon as they get into trouble, just find out and let me know. So you can solve your problems here and don't allow it to grow. It's very simple, it is very simple for you. They themselves will start curing, you will see. They will become so wise that they will start curing.